All right, so let's talk about something a lot of people have noticed lately, installing Windows 11, because in recent times, it's not really about whether you customize your setup anymore. It's more about how you want your system to feel right from the start. A fresh install usually comes with a full set of apps, features, and setup steps, which is great for getting everything up and running, but not everyone needs all of it. For some people, that just means taking a few extra steps to shape Windows into something simpler, cleaner, and more tailored to how they actually use their computer. Now, here's the interesting part. Rufus just dropped a new beta update, and this one feels different. It's not just small improvements, it actually changes how you install Windows altogether. We're talking about being able to strip out all that extra junk before the system even installs, and on top of that, running the entire installation almost completely silently, no endless clicking, no sitting there watching progress bars. So, if you've ever wanted a clean Windows install without the usual headaches, yeah, this is worth paying attention to. Let's jump straight into it. Now, you probably know when installing Windows 11, there are a few requirements that always come up: TPM secure boot and signing in with a Microsoft account. And to be fair, those are there for security and a smoother ecosystem experience, but not everyone needs all of that every single time. That's where Rufus has already been helpful, letting you work around some of those setup limitations. But now, it goes a step further. Rufus has always been known for creating bootable USB drives, but with this new update, it's doing a lot more than just that. It actually gives you more control over what your Windows install looks like before it even begins. There's a new option in the beta called QOL improvements, basically short for quality of life tweaks, and it's surprisingly powerful. With just a checkbox, you can choose to skip installing certain apps that are normally included by default, like Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Outlook, and Microsoft Teams. It can even disable fast startup if you prefer a more traditional shutdown behavior. And the nice thing here is, instead of installing everything and then spending time removing what you don't need, you're starting with a system that already matches how you want to use your PC. For a lot of people, especially on personal machines, that just makes the whole experience feel a bit cleaner and more straightforward right from the beginning. Now, this is probably my favorite part. Rufus now has something called silent mode for Windows installation. What this means is you don't have to sit there clicking next over and over again like you're filling out a long form. For example, no picking privacy settings manually or typing your username during setup. Instead, you can set everything up front before the installation starts. But here's the important part. It's disabled by default. To actually enable it, you need to tick all those options Rufus shows you, the ones that would normally ask you questions during installation. So basically, you're answering everything before Windows even begins installing. And once you do that, you hit start, walk away, and that's it. Windows installs itself, finishes setup, and lands you straight on the desktop without asking you anything. This is perfect if you're setting up multiple machines, reinstalling Windows often, or you just don't want to sit there watching a progress bar for 15 minutes. When you install Windows, the installer doesn't ask twice, it just wipes the drive it picks. So to avoid a disaster, only keep the drive you want Windows on connected. If you leave other drives plugged in, especially ones with important files, there's a real risk the installer could pick the wrong one, and the data will be erased. Better to unplug extra drives for a few minutes than lose everything. Rufus now also gives you the option to turn off BitLocker during installation. That means you won't have your drive automatically encrypted by default, which can save you from dealing with recovery keys and performance overhead if you don't need it. All right, quick one. These last two options look scary, but they're really not. Use Windows CA 2023 signed bootloaders. This one sounds complicated, but it's actually simple. It's about secure boot compatibility. Newer PCs use updated security certificates, called CA 2023. Older Windows installers use older certificates, in 2011. So this option just tells Rufus to use the new secure boot system, so the USB works on newer machines. If your PC is modern plus secure boot enabled, you might need this. If your PC is older or you disabled secure boot, you don't need it. And if your PC doesn't support it, the USB might fail to boot. So unless you know your system supports it, you can just leave it off. The last one, this one, is even more behind the scenes. It's related to Windows security policies during setup. In simple terms, it applies a system policy file during installation, mostly used for enterprise or managed environments. Normal users, you don't need this. IT admins or companies might use it for control and compliance. For most people, just ignore it. So now Rufus is not just a USB creator anymore. It's basically a full Windows 11 setup toolkit. No more jumping between tools, no more running scripts after installation, and no more tweaking ISOs just to get a clean system. Everything is done in one place before Windows even installs, and that just makes life easier. Now, yeah, this is still a pre-release version, so expect a few rough edges here and there, but once this hits stable, this is going to be the way most people install Windows 11. If you found this useful, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.